What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the backflow preventer and how to clean the strainer. So this is a backflow. We're gonna fix that and we're gonna clean the strainer. So for that we're gonna close the line, close that valve. Water is coming that way, so we have to follow the pipe. We're gonna follow, there is a valve here, so always when you follow your pipe you can get to the valve. So I'm gonna close that valve so we don't have any water to this, and we're gonna clean the strainer. So I close the valve here and we're gonna take the cap off. And see there is a cap here, so you can get the adjustable crossing wrench, and when you turn it to the right it's gonna tight it. When you turn to the left it's gonna untie the cap. I'm gonna take the cap off and clean inside the strainer, and after that we're gonna blow all the air. So the valve should be closed, and as you see the water is coming. As you see inside, the strainer is very clean. The screen is clean. If you wanna clean the screen also, you can take this nut off. So let me show you. So here you just get the crossing wrench and you turn this and take this cap off, and you can take the screen off and clean that. So we don't need to do that here. So I'm gonna put the cap back, and I'm gonna release some air in the backflow, and we're gonna test it if it stops leaking. So let's check it out. I opened the valve already, so there is a water here, so make sure that green valve is closed. So I'm gonna take this cap off and release the air here. And I need a flat screwdriver to release the air before open this valve. So let me grab the flat screwdriver and release the air here. So I did the same thing in here, here and here. I released there and opened the both valve, and the leak is stopped. So as you see there is no leak and both valve is open. So if your strainer is dirty, it could cause the leak on your backflow. So always make sure you clean that before you start taking apart your backflow. So make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home, fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification for future video, and like the video. That's help a lot, so YouTube is gonna show my video to more people. Thank you very much and have a great day.